recordings.
Let's review sample meeting invitation to see how it might be effective and how it might help you facilitate effective meeting. So the subject of this meeting, which you see in the attached, is the PDF file that's attached to the course materials. And the subject is upgrade knowledge workers to use tablet devices in the enterprise. So the key is that this subject tells exactly what this upcoming meeting is all about. Right? It tells that this is specifically the category of users and what are we planning to do as part of this meeting. There's also executive summary, which tells what's the objective and why this participation in this meeting is important to the participants. First of all, it mentions leadership of the organization. It mentions what is going to be done and what leadership is looking to do, and it also mentions the possible solution. Right? And there is a note from the meeting organizer, being myself, this is just a sample, that says, include all stakeholders I know, right? But there might be others, so please forward this meeting to anyone I might have missed. So there's a certain possibility that whoever organizes the meeting possibly could miss somebody in the invitation. And that comment would certainly help bring more people that need to participate if somebody accidentally got missed. It also has a statement about the objective, right? What are we gathering for and what are we trying to accomplish as part of this meeting? And the objective is to identify considerations. So there's an element of uncertainty for the upcoming effort, right? So we're just starting potential project and we're trying to understand what it's going to take to meet goals from the leadership team. And that's why there's such a statement that what we're trying to do is just determine next steps, kind of look at the picture, use common sense to determine the next steps, and maybe as a collective opinion define what the follow-up should be and what the next steps should be. And the last section is consideration. This is more of an agenda, more or less, because this particular meeting has, like I mentioned, elements of uncertainty. So we're trying to answer questions to determine next steps. And this provides a list of items that we would like to discuss based on the goal that was set. Right? Very specific questions. It took probably meeting organizer some time to get prepared to gather even the questions that need to be answered. And that's very important. It shows the meeting organizer's involvement, shows that some pre-work that was done, and it helps people that will participate learn something and see that meeting will be run in an effective way, and there is a preparation that's happening, and it tells them what was already accomplished and maybe what are the questions that need to be answered, allows them to prepare themselves, and allows them to see how can agenda and specific items be covered during allotted time for the meeting. I wanted to thank you for your interest and would like to stay in touch. You have multiple ways to stay in touch with me. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Soft Skills Training. You can look me up on the Facebook. I have a page, Soft Skills Training with Vadim Michalenko. There's a site, Soft Skills Training, HQheadquarters.com. And make sure to check out my other training courses. And please leave a review. I always love those. I read them all, and it keeps me motivated and helps me come up with the ideas for the new courses.